Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI application either on your iPhone or Android. So of course after you install the application and make sure if it is already installed to make sure that you have the latest update. So once you open the application you will find yourself here as you can see in the home page. So here you can of course change the model that you are using for the AI, so you can change it, and also of course you can activate the thinking mode or you can check for the other models. And also here you can use the speech, so you can use your voice instead of typing and the voice will translate and get a transcript of what you said. So also here, as you can see in the plus button, you can use your camera or upload any file or picture from your device, and here also another tools. And the last thing is on the left, as you can see, you will find the three bars. When you click there, here you will find your history chats, and also you can find your projects if you have any projects here, so you can use them. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.